I just saw the thing that Yank Skelly was talking about with the envelopes. Um, I was in the middle of recording the tutorial video, or trying to, and I saw the bug. So I thought that he was maybe talking about something else, and I found something. I found what seemed like a related bug, and I fixed that. Um, I thought he just wasn't explaining himself properly, but he was. Um, he was saying that when you have the envelope editor open, when you press this button, sometimes it doesn't seem to work, and sometimes it does. See, here it works. There it works. And I had a fudge sampler, and I was doing all kinds of things with harmonics or whatever. I don't know what I was doing. I had this going on. Ah! Look at that. So if you at least open the chord editor, maybe. Is that what it does? Is that what does it? If you open the chord editor, then go to here. No. If you put the chord editor into dynamic mode, maybe? Nope. If I draw something there. So what is it that causes it? I don't know. Weird. Oh, I cleared this one, did it? If I do that... It cleared the previous envelope that I was looking at. It seems like. Is that what's going on? If I do amp, for example, then switch to pitch and then click this button, then go back to amp. No, it's fine. It's fine. This amount envelope over here. If I put some data here, then go to here, clear. It is clearing the wrong envelope, but I don't know what causes it. Oh. What? Amazing. Really amazing. I don't know how this is happening. So let's try to figure it out. Is it here? This is the envelope that we're clearing. Or supposedly clearing. Let's look at this. This. Attributes. Harmonics! That's fucked up. We shouldn't... I'm drunk, by the way. I should maybe point out that I was doing like practice runs of the tutorial video, so I'm drunk. But I have a lot of energy because my sleeping is better now. So if I'm like slurring my words more than usual, then that would be the reason. Okay, so clicking this button. And I'm doing a callback. Oh, this is I need to rebuild in debug mode because otherwise this is going to be a pain in the ass to debug properly. So I will stop the recording and then start when this is finished building. See you in a bit. Alright, it's not finished building yet, but I'm starting the recording again because I started looking at the code. And I already know what the problem is. It's, sorry. My apologies. It is this toolbar. This toolbar is instantiated when you open an envelope, the envelope toolbar, which is the toolbar at the bottom of the block. And hey, it finished building. So when you open this toolbar, you pass up the envelope that you're manipulating, right? If you select another envelope while the toolbar is already opened, instead of destroying this toolbar object and reopening another one, for example, I just do this set envelope thing to change the envelope that we're manipulating for the toolbar. And so the problem with that is when I first open the toolbar, I create this clear button for the bottom left, in the bottom left of the block, right? And I pass this envelope that's passed into the constructor to the clear button, to the callbacks. So I'm saying when that button is clicked, clear this envelope. But that callback is not being updated when this happens. So if an envelope is open and then you open another envelope without first closing the existing envelope, then this callback is going to be out of date. It's going to be referring to the previous envelope that was open. So now the question is, how do I fix that? I guess it's very easy to fix if get button, if there's a set callbacks and there isn't. So this basic toolbar button takes the callbacks in the constructor, I suppose, the toolbar button. There's no way to change the callbacks after the fact. So, let's see. Also, there's the enabled button in the bottom right. Does that have the same issue? Unpressed. On enable checkbox pressed. I'm not sure. I can't tell from this vantage point, for want of a better phrase. Yeah. Callbacks. Make callbacks. Alright, that's fine. So it's just the clear buttons, that's a problem. Okay, I'm going to do something very hacky, but I think it will work. This is going to be hacky, yeah. So Flexbox, remove child base controls, clear. Get button. Node. Or simpler than that would just be to keep. So this is, right, this is the clear button in the bottom left of the block when the envelope is open is a node which I am dynamically instantiating, I think. That's what this is doing, right? Make node, yeah. So I just want to go Q3 and that will remove it from the flexbox, and then whoops, and then wait, just do this again. Do I have everything I need to just do that again? Flexbox, resources. I don't have that. So this is very hacky. But I don't I don't care. Because I'm drunk, as I said. I just don't care. So resources. And I just want to get things working at this point because I'm getting close to, I feel like I'm getting close to some kind of milestone with Blockhead. I saw some people on Twitter the other day saying I'm waiting for Blockhead to pop off. And it might, I don't know, maybe soon it's going to pop off, whatever exactly that means. Sometimes it feels more likely to just sort of peter out and die, but let's stay optimistic. So that was a typo. Okay, so this, and then I need to that's everything I need to do. I think that does it. So I'm freeing I'm just creating a new button because this button node that I have doesn't have any way to update that on click to callback to make it do something else. Where is it? Toolbar button. This one. I have some like similar controls to this where I do actually have an interface for updating the callbacks. But this is basically my callbacks here that on clicked. It's just a bunch of functions, standard functions. Oh, sorry. And these other callbacks aren't used, I think. Not in this context. So this should fix things. Let's wait for the build. How's everyone doing? I guess this is situations where if I was actually streaming, then it it'd be better. You could talk to people during the build, I suppose. That's one of the advantages of streaming. Brain just went blank. What am I doing? Envelopes, yes. So, do this. Switch to another envelope. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That seems fixed to me. Undo, redo. Always check undo and redo. Undo, redo. Clear, undo. Oops. Created a tab track accidentally. Anyway, that's good. Right. Hopefully this is not too embarrassing to upload. That's sometimes, when you're drunk, like you're not aware of like how embarrassing you're being until you until you're sober. If you see yourself on camera, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Right. A little bit of drunk programming. So fix envelope editor. Clear. Button not working. I'm actually gonna write the release note now while it's fresh in my head. So this will be 29.5 alpha res unreleased bug fix. Envelope clear. Envelope editor clear button clears the previously opened. If an envelope previously opened envelope, if the selected envelope is how the hell do you phrase this? If a new envelope is selected before closing the current one. I think that makes sense. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice day.